You run my program straight from the EXE. XO,